Hi guys, this is me, Dr. Johan, known as Dr. Mike. So today, pupunta tayo ng Abwa Hotel. Invited ako taste test. Halika na. So guys, andito tayo sa second floor ng Abyor Hotel. So ngayon, dito na natin magkakaroon ng taste testing for the upcoming fine dining dito sa Abyor Hotel. Okay guys? Ay, bago niyan, ipapasilip ko sa inyo kung anong gagawin namin mamaya. So guys, huwag natin kalimutan, ipapasilip ko sa inyo yung interior ng hotel at saka pati yung mga pagkain na i-serve nila. Okay. Guys, hello. Tingnan mo yung wine rack, di ba? Oh, ito naman yung bar counter. So guys, tingnan ko muna sa welcome to Abyor, a social house. Tama no ate, Abyor Hotel. Pronunciation.
Yes.
Diri Abwa.
Diri Abwa, no? Tacloban is Bisaya. This is the social house Tacloban by Chef Jean.
Wow!
Jean
Chef Jean, diba?
From Ormoc Herbs.
From Ormoc Herbs.
Yes, diba? Exciting.
Oo.
Sige na. Action. So today, food tasting, and then tomorrow soft opening, then Saturday is the opening.
Yes. Congratulations, ate. Anong mga food choices?
Okay, for the menu, we have pizzas, different kinds of pizzas. We have paella, and salads, and may ano pa si chef? Saan yung menu? Sashimi.
Sashimi,
yeah,
so
mga rolls.
ano?
Maki rolls.
So very diverse. Fusion. Wow.
Okay.
Oh guys remember tinidor pa lang at saka kutsara, ang ganda-ganda na. It's made of stainless steel, I think. Oo, yun.
So what we have here, our dish here is more on what is the best that we can offer for social house. So this right here is our hummus base. So how was hummus?
So guys, tapos na ako sa hummus. So you can see the taste, yung may lalagyan ng eggplant at the same time with olive oil and then yung bread. So it tastes well, nagbo-blend well sa mouth. So ngayon guys, ang next na titikman natin is paella valenciana. So it's paella, a combination also with chicken, with seafood, yan, at saka itong shell. So we'll try.
Okay, ato ka naman the point. Pag-iinti mo confidence level.
So good. Must try. Tsaka guys, yung serving malalaki. So it can be good for mga 3 persons.
How's the blend?
So the blend yung fusion ng seafood, chicken, tsaka itong shell. Yeah, you can feel yung Spanish kasi paella is a Spanish cuisine.
Sakto lang, doon lang.
Yes. Okay. Payat ang gulo, kaya may suming malamon.